Guys, it's another day. I've done a lot of work in the garden. Let me show you what I've done, and I'm going to go on to my next project, and I'm going to show you the next project. But first, let me show you what we have. I should say we. I should say I. Chaz helped me dug a couple holes, but I did all this by myself. So let me show you what I've done in the garden. Let's start from here. As you see right here, this is my mango tree that I planted here yesterday. I think you saw me planting that. Over here to the side, I put one ackee tree here because I didn't know where else to put it. I put one more over here. So we have two ackee trees, which is also known as ganets. And over there is a banana tree. This is another project we're going to do, but we're not starting on that one right now. We're getting some other stuff out of the way. Over here is the second mango tree. So there's two mango trees all together. Now over here I have my Barbados cherry right there. I have my golden apple or my June plum right there. Over here I have a sugar apple, and over here I have an avocado, better known as pear. Over here is another cherry. This is not a Barbados cherry though. This is, I guess, American cherry. That's a cherry tree right there. This right here is a soursop. I gotta move this from here. And over there, I transplanted that as well. So over here, I transplanted a passion fruit, and that's gonna stay there. So now right here, I dug this out right here. So from this corner to that corner right here, I want to plant this sweet potato. So this is my next project right here. So what I'm going to do is I want to build this up because I want the potatoes to be right here. I don't want them spreading all over the yard because we know that potatoes, the vine just run all over the place. I'm going to try to avoid that, and I'm going to show you how to do that. This is also an experiment for me as well. So we're going to be doing something right here with this sweet potato. I'm going to build the soil up to, I don't know, a few inches up off the ground. We're going to build the soil up. So I'm going to take these mounds here that I had dug out the hole. I'm going to use these to build up this soil. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna do one project at a time, guys. Okay guys, so what I'm doing now is getting rid of this grass that I dug up yesterday. So what I think I found an area here in the backyard where I'm gonna put all this grass to kind of organize it a little bit, because I don't want to put it back in the garden because I don't want it to start growing. So what I'm doing is breaking it all up here. I have a little wagon here, put it in there, and then I'm going to see all of this. I'm going to get rid of all of this, but I'm going to pile it, put it in a pile, and eventually this will become dirt that I can use. Good. So I'm going to get rid of all of that. I don't need that. But this mound here that I dug up yesterday from in the hole, this I'm going to use back for the potatoes. So I'm going to pile this up over here. I'm going to pile this up here. This is where I'm going to make my potatoes. So I'm going to go around here all the mounds because I want to pile up the dirt to maybe about this height. So all the mounds that I have, I'm going to put on here. And once I done all this, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, because you know with sweet potatoes they run, and they run all over the place. So I don't want it to be running all over the yard. I want it to stay in one location. So I'm going to keep the sweet potato in this location, but I'll show you how I'm going to do that. So you have to keep watching to find out. I'll be right back. Okay, I think that's about it, guys. This is all the dirt that I picked up that I had dug out of the hole. So now I'm going to even it out a little bit.
Should be much easier.
What?
It should be much easier.
Alright, so it would have been easy if you were helping me.
Well, somebody else there helping you.
Somebody's there helping me?
Yeah.
Who?
Huh?
Who?
Look at your wall. She doing everything you doing?
Okay, good. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna put a little fertilizer to that now. Just get this on here. Okay, so okay, guys. So I just made a little. So what I'm gonna do is take some of my topsoil and put in there. Then on top of the topsoil, I have, let's see, oh, I have some perlite. I'm just gonna put some perlite across there, like that. I have here, this is some organic fertilizer. Oh, put some there. We're gonna take a little bit of warm casing, put it top there, and then we're just gonna cover it. And I'm gonna do the same thing over here on this side. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of topsoil. A little bit of perlite. A little bit of the organic fertilizer. Right. The bag is ripped. One casting. I'm going to cover this over. Good for there. And then I'm going to make a little drenched in here in the center. That's that for that. And then next thing we're going to do is I'm just going to separate here. Just making like a little drench. Okay, guys. So remember those potato slips I showed you earlier that I had grown in that container? Well, these are the potatoes. We come on the other side. Actually, okay. So that's my potatoes. Those are purple sweet potatoes. So now I'm gonna get some water. I'm gonna water it in. I'm gonna leave it like that for a while as the potatoes takes roots and start to grow, and then I'm gonna put a little barricade around it. So that is gonna come in the future in another video as time goes on. So now all I just have to do is water it, and that's it. I'm done for the evening. So let me go get my watering can on my watering hose and start watering. Be right back. Next thing I'm gonna do is put a little bit of mulch to keep the soil moist, to keep the soil, can't even talk, nice and moist. And then I'm gonna water it, okay? So I just took one of my gloves off. I don't know where to put it. So let's put a little bit of this around here. Just gonna put it around, not gonna put it directly on. Yeah. it on this side so I can do a better job on this side. That should be it there. No, that should be it. No, I got my hose. I'm going to do a little bit of watering. That's good for now. And the next thing I'm going to do is water it all in. So I have my hose here. I'm just going to water here. Give it a good soak. And leave it alone. And then I will keep you up to date to let you know how long this whole process takes before we can actually before we can actually start harvesting potatoes. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I had fun. I hope you guys had fun as well. If you are a person that love being outdoors and love gardening, just write me and tell me about your garden and tell me what you're planting this year, okay? The summer is about to begin, so I'm trying to get everything. I'm also going to do container gardening as well because I still have a lot of space left. So I'm going to plant some stuff in some containers. So guys, write me, let me know, okay? Until next time, bye-bye.